Nathan Malik. Next award in this special category goes to Nathan Malik. Nathan started his real estate career in 2012 with SaveMax Real Estate and has been constantly growing since then with the company. Within this short span of time, he has achieved more than $60 million gross sales and has done more than 130 transactions. Truly commendable figures. His passion and dedication towards growth made him stand out and be a team leader. His guidance and excellent business skills serves as an asset not only to his team but also to the entire SaveMax. Best customer service and client satisfaction has always been his top priority. Please welcome our special award winner, Mr. Nathan Malik.